Bam, 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 bam. Oh, hi, guys. Yeah, I didn't see you there. Nope. Even though I turned on the camera, I didn't see you there. I don't know why they say that, because they turned on the camera, you know. So we're going to be making fidgets. If you ask, why is your face so red? That's because I got sunburned. Yesterday we went to the beach. I'm holding nothing, okay? None of your business. Actually, it's for the craft. So, today we're going to be making fidgets. So, make sure you have adult supervision. We're going to be using hot glue and food coloring. So, here we go. First, you're going to dye your water. I have done that, as you can see. Ta-da! You're going to take a diaper. I've done this so your attention span does not go wasted. You take a diaper and rip it open so you get this part. And now you're going to take the middle out from the end. There's a little middle piece in there. Now inside, that's where your diaper gel will await. So this actually, usually you do this after, but we're doing it first. So, now, this is diaper gel power. Now, if you drop that in water, it will absorb, turn into diaper gel. So I'm going to drop these in water. This one, not so much. Actually, yeah, it's turning. And then this one. So we're going to let those absorb and just poke them around, kind of shove it around. Give it a little bit of poke. Whoa, it looks like an icy cone. That's super cool. So, oh my gosh, this is so I've never thought of doing it this way, but this is so cool. First time I saw this was on 5 Minute Crafts. No shadow. No, just no. Because it did not work, plus my mom screwed up. But they never work when I do those crafts. Like these crafts are from Dr. Squish, shout out, because her crafts work. Except sometimes you don't have all the stuff. That's the only reason why they don't work. And right now, I'm following her crafts in these 2 things. Except I kind of changed up the one because I didn't have everything. Squish! I'm gonna have to wash my hands. Now we're gonna mix. Whoa. This is all like diaper gel. That is not watery. This is not watery. Not watery. This isn't watery. You don't want it to be watery. It will feel disgusting. You'll also need a funnel and a balloon. I should have did what I need in the beginning of the video. Whatever. So we're gonna pour this into there. I just want to touch it. Touch. It feels so weird. Oh, that's disgusting. Now we're gonna poke it all in. Ta-da! Okay. We'll do a part 2 on the other one. We're gonna tie it. Actually, that gives me a good thing, so we're gonna tie it. I used 2 diapers for this. And by the way, don't ask where I got the diapers. No, I got them from my dolls, my little dog. No way. It's like squirting like she did in the video. Okay, anyways. It actually feels nice. But it will feel even nicer once I get this diaper gel in my hand. So yeah, thanks for watching.